How to change audio on Instagram Reels after posting. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile. After this, you want to open the reel in which you want to change the audio. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and over here, tap on Edit. Once you do that, here you can find there is no option of changing audio on your Instagram Reels. So even though you go to advanced settings, there is no way that you can change the audio of your Instagram Reels. This is because Instagram has not made this feature available. So after posting, there is no option of changing the audio. So in this case, what you can do is tap on these three dots again, and here you have the option of download, so tap on that. Now you can save this reel on your device, and once it has been saved to your gallery, you can re-upload it with a different audio. So for now, this is the only thing that you can do. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.